morning, Theodore Roosevelt High School.
I'm Cor Allen.
And I'm Dylan Schmidt. And these are your morning announcements for Friday, April 19th, 2024.
Hey riders, listen up and look alive. This is how proud riders ride. It's time to announce this week's PBIS ride winners. Trinity O'Neill,
Kareem Scales,
Jason Jeffers,
Aiden Allen,
and staff member Mrs. Vlogovich. Ride with pride, Rough Riders. Congratulations to this week's winners.
Monday is Earth Day.
Earth Day.
To celebrate, the Roosevelt Environmental Club is giving away free plants during all lunch periods on Monday. Make sure you pick up your free plant on Monday and make every day Earth Day.
On Wednesday night, the Roosevelt High School Coders Club competed in the final round of the Highland High School Innovation Showdown at Highland Software Headquarters in Westlake.
Their app proposal, Sprout Support, was designed to tackle food, desserts, and poor nutrition in urban areas by helping people grow their own vegetables and connect with local farmers markets. While Sprout Support was not selected as the overall winner, these Coders Club members made Roosevelt proud by being the first team from our school to make it to the finals. Robert Kraft, Drew Daniels, David Hoover, Daniel Lee, and Catherine Logue. Great job, Coders Club.
We need you to sign up for student government. Your voice matters.
Do you remember that girl in elementary school who always volunteered to be the line leader of class? Or that little boy who designated himself the team captain of every recess sport? Or that one student who never failed to raise her hand to answer every question the teacher asked, regardless of if she knew the answer or not? No matter where your memory takes you, we all remember the first time we had the urge to throw ourselves in the ring of leadership. Whether you were like me and ran for your third grade student council representative and lost because your opponent was smarter, cuter, and gave out more fruit snacks than you. Or if you were like Andrew Gillum, who started a 7th grade revolution because he wanted Doritos in his school's vending machine. No matter where you fall in that spectrum, we are all inevitably going to be a participant of some form of organized leadership. From 3rd grade student rep, to the mother in the PTA, to the retired senior citizen in the Homeowners Association, all the way to the Oval Office. This type of organized leadership is a part of every aspect of our lives. And if you were to travel across the country to thousands of colleges and universities, you would find that most, if not all, have a student government association. That's because student government is an outlet where students who have the urge to throw themselves in that ring of fire that we call leadership can. It's the place where that girl who always volunteered to be the line leader of class can go on and be a senator for her university. That little boy who made himself the team captain of every sport can be a representative for his class. And that one student who always raised her hand, and that 7th grader who started a Doritos revolution can go on to be student government presidents.
If you're interested in running to be a class officer, student council president, or student council representative, join the Student Council 2023-2024 Google Classroom today.
These have been your morning announcements for Friday, April 19th, 2024. Have a fruity Friday, Roosevelt.
It's gonna drive you totally fruity.
Man, I got a split.